OSH is a rather ancient city that once connected caravan roads of the Great Silk Road. Some historical monuments are still preserved here. We visited one of them in the city of Uzgan. It is a minaret of 44 meters height, built in the beginning of the 12th century. There is a mosque, madrasa, and mausoleum located nearby. People of Karakhanid dynasty are buried in this mausoleum. On this day, we drive along the border of Uzbekistan through the roads of famous Fergana Valley. Fergana Valley is also called the provider of Central Asia. Fruit and vegetables grow here in abundance due to unique climate conditions. Delicious melons, watermelons and apricots are especially appreciated. It is impossible to drive by.
It's delicious. Like sugar. Look how much he's enjoying.
I'm not really enjoying it. I'm just doing this just for the photo. Very good. Behind him. I follow him because I don't know the way. I must be behind him. Yes. Okay. Very good. All good.
The route of Central Asian region Kyrgyzstan passes through the mountains of Tien-Shan. Tien-Shan is a mountain system located in Central Asia on the territory of 5 republics: Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, China, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. Tien-Shan in Chinese means mountains of heaven or divine mountains. This mountain system differs from the Pamirs in its peculiar landscape and beauty. These mountains are much brighter with rich flora, including mountain forests and lakes where green colors predominate. Tien-Shan Mountains are considered to be one of the highest in the world. There are more than 30 peaks with height of more than 6,000 meters. We stopped for the night at this part in a hotel which is located on the shore of a beautiful lake, Toktogul. Here we have delicious fish, mountain trout for dinner.
Bit of a long day. Takes a long time to do something. What, how many Ks was it? 300 and... A little bit spoiled by the Pamir, frankly. So this is more of a transit day, I feel. But the last bit's gorgeous. You know, we're here at this big lake. It's almost as big as one of ours.
How are you today?
I am okay. I was sick yesterday, got better today. Nothing like spending a day on the bike to make you feel better. And look where we ended up. How beautiful is this? Just fantastic. So I'm all right. I've got a beer and it's cold. It couldn't be any better. Fantastic.
Mountain roads of Kyrgyzstan deserve special attention. In contrast to rare roads of Tajikistan, the network of mountain roads in Kyrgyzstan is so extensive and diverse that attracts tourists from all over the world. There is room for everything, from well-asphalted roads to wild mountain passes. Therefore, Kyrgyzstan is considered to be the most popular country among enthusiasts of outdoor activities. Auto tourism, hiking, cycling tourism, equestrian tourism, rafting is very popular here. And obviously, it is a favorite place of motor tourists as well. In addition to stunning nature, Kyrgyzstan is interesting due to distinctive authentic culture of nomads. Susama Valley is a great example of it. Fortunately, our route passes right through it. Susama Valley is the largest alpine grassland in Central Asia at an altitude of almost 3,000 meters. During summer times, Kyrgyz nomads move here with their families to feed their cattle on these large meadows. There are many nomad yurts here, surrounded by huge herds of horses, sheep and cows. A tired traveler may find food and a warm bed in any of these yurts. After Susama Valley, the road abruptly starts to climb up the OSH pass. There is a tunnel. After 4 kilometers, the road passes through Kyrgyz Reach, which leads down to steppe flatland, where we enter the capital of Kyrgyzstan, BISHKEK.
I'm a proud member of the club, and what an incredible ride. I'm tired, but it was such a great experience. Seeing all these countries and being with this group, and all of you guys, and I gotta say thanks a million.
Thank you once again. I appreciate what you've done. Cheers.
Thanks, guys.
Thank
It's a great trip.
Very warm walk.
Yeah.
Are you going to home or?